how to start an online business in 2018. Hello my friend, my name is Gavin Stevenson from wakeupfulfilled.com, and I help people create a business and life that's meaningful. Now, I've been in the online space for the past 10 years, and I've had a lot of challenges in business. I've had a lot of successes in business, and I want to share with you my failures, my successes, and I'm going to be sharing with you literally how to start a business in 2018. Now, not only have I had success in my own business, I've actually been able to help others do the same too. So the first thing I want to share with you around building an online business is that you want to go ahead and do something that you're actually interested in and that you're passionate about. Because when I first got started online, I was just focused on making money. And I totally understand why one would start a business around just making money. Because we have Maslow's hierarchy of needs. And we need to create a sense of security for ourselves. We need to cover the bills. We need to go ahead and take care of our family. And we need to get into a place of stability, clearing those debts and having that financial independence that we're all looking for and searching for online. However, for some people, that can only take them so far. So many people give up after a month, 3 months of searching online, trying to figure out this internet marketing, start your own online business stuff, because they're doing it for all the wrong reasons. They're doing it because they're associating money and it being easy to make online. Starting an online business is a business, and it's going to be hard in the beginning. It's going to take work. Okay, there's a lot of things that you have to figure out. You have to get over the learning curve. You have to get over all of your internal objections, the inner resistance, the challenges that you may experience on your journey. But it's really about understanding that you need to link building an online business to something beyond making money. If you're just doing it for the money, over time, you're going to get demotivated. Over time, when things get tough, you're going to give up. I'm talking here from experience, not only from my own experience, my own personal experience, but from seeing my one-on-one coaching clients and what they go through. You know, I've seen people, they make a ton of money from my one-on-one coaching. I actually tell them, don't get complacent. And what happens is they get complacent because they made it all about money rather than about actually serving people and providing value to the world. We have 6 human needs: the need for certainty, the need for uncertainty, the need for significance, the need for love and connection, the need for growth, and the need of contribution. Okay, contribution is one of our spiritual needs. It's a need that, when fulfilled, it motivates us. It's a never-ending sort of motivation. However, if you're doing the whole build an online business just to feel more significant or to feel more certain or to feel more secure within yourself and your life, that can only get so far. Okay, what you need to do to continue being motivated and inspired to achieve your goals, one has to link it to personal growth, your own personal growth, and your ability to contribute to people, to give, to do it for more than yourself. You need to have something bigger than yourself to keep you in the game, to keep you going long term. Because like I said, this is a business. Sometimes you're going to face some challenges. Sometimes things are not going to go to plan. And it's about realizing that a lot of people out there are going to portray in their sales copy, their sales pages, that it's easy. All you need to do is join my webinar and then you'll be making, thousands of dollars. It takes time. There's stuff that you need to learn, you need to grow. Now, just like you would study in school for years to learn how to get a particular job, that's how you want to create an online business. It takes years of dedication to understand the ins and outs. Whilst you can make money online really quickly, to keep and maintain that is a different story. To really learn it and master it is a different story. Now, I'm making this video not to discourage you, but to inspire those who are really serious about building an online business, because I feel the right people that watch this video, they have something to give of value. They have something to contribute to the world. They got something that's going to go and help people. This video is not for tire kickers and people who are not truly serious, that are just chasing money. So ultimately, you want to create a business where you're contributing, but not only that, you want to create a business where you're actually passionate about it, you actually like doing. The reason I started this brand called Wake Up Fulfilled is because I went through a really challenging time with my online business because I was pursuing things that didn't actually fulfill me inside. Whilst I was having a lot of material, external success, my internal success was a huge failure. I had anxiety, depression. I didn't feel like I was doing something that I loved. I hated what I was doing, and it felt like a 9-to-5 job again. And I can tell you, it doesn't matter how much you make. If you don't feel good inside about how much you make, then you're going to be unfulfilled. And true success is understanding that you must have both internal success and external success. Success is knowing where you are, knowing where you want to be, and enjoying the process. If you're not enjoying the process or finding ways to enjoy the process, it's going to be real tough. It's going to be real hard. And you can create a lot of problems internally in your mentality, your emotions, that will affect you in the long run. And once you might reach, a high level of success, or you might make a lot of money, you might end up sabotaging it all because it was so hard to get there. It was like having another 9-to-5 job. You don't like what you're doing, you hate it, and now you have to do all those tasks and habits all over again in order to make more money, and you'll get sick of it, you'll get tired of it. So starting a business in 2018 is not just about, oh, I'll find someone that's going to teach me how to make money. No, the intention that you want to put out and what you want to focus on is, how can I actually do something that not only brings me external success, massive external success, money, being able to travel, having that freedom, financial freedom, location freedom, time freedom. But not only that, I need to start an online business that gives me personal freedom, freedom on the inside, where I'm able to feel happy every day, where I'm excited to wake up each day. Now, don't get me wrong, some people are already motivated by money. But there's a lot of people that are not motivated by money. And that's why I'm making this video. Because then you'll start to understand why you're probably struggling, and seeing all these other people making money online. They might be motivated by money and all this stuff. But perhaps you're wired a little bit different. Perhaps you're wired by, your family, a love, and connection. Perhaps, you are already motivated by contributing and helping other people. Perhaps you're really motivated by your own personal growth. I don't know. But whatever it is, you need to understand that some people are motivated differently. Always looking at what other people are doing doesn't necessarily help you all the time. So I'm guiding you to think about what you really want to do. What have you been excited about all your life? What have you been thinking about all your life? And is there a way for you to do that online? Because the reality is, all you need to do is have an audience. Once you have an audience, an eager buying audience, okay, they're there. Okay, now you need to just tap into them. You need to create a product or become an affiliate or whatever. Have something which you can sell to that audience. And when you link that all together with your passion, now you're providing a valuable product, a valuable service that you put a lot of effort into because you're passionate about it. And you'll probably have one of the best products in the market because you're passionate about it. And the people will get a good product. Not only that, the people will give you money, which will make you feel good because you're doing something that you love and you're actually being paid for it. And sometimes nothing gets better than that. So I guide you to find something that you're actually passionate about. If you feel you have a gift to the world, share it. Because sometimes your specific challenges, experiences, talents, abilities, skills, ideas, the things that you like and enjoy, other people like and enjoy as well. It's just about getting eyeballs on your stuff, on your content, on the value that you have to give to the world. Finally, in 2018, I want to share with you that how you represent yourself is going to affect your results 5 years down the line. So it's really important that you go ahead and start something that you're passionate about, that you like, but also build a brand that can stand out in the marketplace, where you represent something. And when you represent something, for example, for me, I represent happiness and fulfillment, people can identify with that. People can connect to that. So you need to find something that people can actually connect to. Now, in some different aspects of online business, you don't really require to build a brand. And if it's not required for you to build a brand, you build a name around you. Something that represents, what you want to put out in the world. And people will find familiarity in that. People will connect to that on a deep level. And that will enable you to make more money down the line. So that's it for this video, my friend. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.